mommy is there. Right, this morning I want to give Levi a certificate. I said, Levi, today you are awarded this school spirit certificate for the twinkle in your eye, for the smile that melts my heart. But above all, for being you. We love what we see at the moment, Levi, and I know this is the beginning of great things. Levi has just come out of his shell. Levi's participating. He's finishing his work. He's making some jokes even.
Yeah.
Levi, this is something new and we love it. Can we please give Levi a clap? Let's go. That is for you. Congratulations.
Grade 1?
Okay.
Okay.
Good morning, parents. Today I'm giving Owen Ellis a certificate for being such a kind and loving little boy. Owen, your sunshine smile lights up our nursery. Well done, mister.
I have some certificates here for the grade 3s. They are from Miss Redmond, but she is filming. So on behalf of Miss Redmond today, I would like to call Isabella Craven. Isabella, you are a star. You are getting the certificate for persevering in reading and spelling. Thank you for always giving your best. You have improved so much this year. Well done and keep up the great work. Kyle. Okay, Kyle, you are getting a certificate today for reading and spelling. Kyle, you have really impressed me this term with how well you know your trigger words and with how you have improved your pronunciation and understanding of your words. I am so proud of you and your amazing progress. Well done. And Levi. Levi, your perseverance in reading and spelling. Thank you, Levi, for always having a positive attitude and never giving up, no matter how hard a word may be. Well done and keep up the great efforts.
Good morning, parents. I have got 2 art certificates for grade 1s, if I can just call them. Rua, birthday girl, and Blaze. Okay. Don't sense too close, Black. Just wait there for a second. I'll be with you now. Okay, Lua. I said, take an art compliment, Lua. Oh, the wonderful, precise, meticulous, those are very big words, Lua, and stylish manner in which you do art. This girl is so precise. Her work is so neat. You would never ever think that such neat art would look arty, but it is amazing, and I love it.
Amazing.
Oh, thank you, Lua. Play. Let's do that again. Let's clap for Lua. Blake. Right, this little guy, I see Blake, take an art compliment. You are bold and creative. Thank you for being such a great addition to the Shelanti art room. 3 art compliments this morning. The first person I'd like to call up is Kanyasile. So Kanyasile, I say, take an art compliment, Kanyasile. You powered into the art room and you proved to us all that you are art smart indeed. Well done. I look forward to our journey of art together. Thank you, Kanyasile. Give her a nice hand. I have a certificate for Caleb in grade 3. My Caleb, I said take an art compliment. Your pieces of art are very unique. This guy, unique, doesn't even fit the bill, okay? It is a privilege to teach you. Thank you for all your wonderful art pieces that you make. Thank you, my sweetheart. Cullen. Right. Cullen, I said, take an art compliment, Cullen Hope. What a wonderful addition you have been to the Shelanti Art Room. Your work is vibrant. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, it's so colourful. And it's bold. And you have great attention to detail, and I absolutely love it. And I hope that we do many wonderful pieces together. Thank you, my sweetheart. Last one. 2 certificates today, Isabella Craven. What is going on here today? So I said, take an art compliment. You have proven to be a force to be reckoned with in the Shelanti Art Room. Everyone pays your pieces great compliments. That piece that's up in the art room, everyone goes, oh, whose art is that? So they pay you great compliments, and I love your work. Thank you so much for all the hard work that you do in the art room.
2 certificates this morning, one for Sarah. Sarah, this morning I'm awarding you a certificate for your never give up spirit. Your determination to succeed in all that you do is admirable, and I'm so proud of you. Well done. My next certificate is for Alexandra. Alexandra, this morning I'm giving you a certificate for adding such a special mix to our lessons. Your contributions to our class discussions are spot on. Well done. Thank you.
I have one certificate for Joshua in grade 2 for Sphero Robotics. Joshua, this certificate is for you for excellent progress in robotics. Your hard work and persistence has paid off. Never give up. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Josh. Right, Noah. Come here, my bobs. You, Noah. Are you surprised? You. I'm sorry, I'm looking at you, beautiful face. Okay, right, so I've got an art certificate for Noah, and it says, take an art compliment, Noah Hamilton Brisman. You make positive choices in the art class. That's important, isn't it, Noah? Not only in life, but I think in the art room, you make positive choices in the art class. And the freedom with which you express yourself is very special for me to witness. I love how uninhibited and free you are in the art room, and you just go for it always, and I love your art. Thank you so much. Give Noah a hand.